In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Translate offline for Android. By the end, you will be able to translate without any internet connection at all. First, open the Google Translate app. Look for the multicolored Google Translate icon on your Android phone and tap it once. When it opens, you should see two language boxes at the top and some options at the bottom of the screen. If the app asks for any basic permissions, allow them so it can work correctly. Now, at the bottom, tap the language you want to download. You will see a bar that usually shows your source language on the left and your target language on the right. Tap the language name that you want to use offline, not the arrows between them. This opens a full list of available languages. From there, find the language, scroll through the list slowly so you do not miss it. Languages are usually arranged alphabetically, so take your time. If there is a search field at the top, you can type the first few letters of the language name to jump straight to it. When you see your language, make sure you read it carefully, since some languages have different regional versions. Next, tap the download icon beside it. The icon looks like a small arrow pointing downward. Once you tap it, the app prepares the language pack for offline use. On most phones, you will notice the icon change or a small progress indicator appear beside that language. A downloaded language often shows a different symbol than one that is not yet downloaded. If prompted, tap Download. A message may pop up telling you the approximate file size of the language pack. This is where Google recommends using Wi-Fi for the download, because some packs can be quite large. Confirm by tapping Download, and the pop-up closes. The language list then returns, and you will see the download in progress. After that, wait for the download to finish. You do not need to tap anything while it is in progress. On many devices, you can see a small circular progress bar filling up beside the language name. When the progress completes, the app quietly stores the language on your phone. This only needs to be done once per language unless you remove it later. Once the download completes, the language will show as downloaded. Look again at the same language in the list. You should now see the word downloaded, or a similar label, right next to it. That label confirms the files are stored locally on your device, ready for offline translations. Now, test offline mode by turning off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open your quick settings and disable both, so your phone has no connection. Then open Google Translate again. Select the downloaded language in the language picker. Enter a word or a full sentence in the text box. Google Translate should translate even if it is offline, and you will see the translated text appear under the box. You have now downloaded a Google Translate language pack on Android and confirmed it works completely offline. If this helped you get offline translations working, a quick thumbs up would really help others, and feel free to subscribe for more simple how-tos.